In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry images in Wix. If your images look a little soft or pixelated on your site, there's a quick adjustment inside the Wix editor that can make a big difference. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what each option does, and share a few simple tips so you get sharp results without slowing down your pages. First, click the image you want to improve. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles or outline around it in the editor. This process applies to individual images on your page, like hero banners, product shots, or logos. Selecting the specific image is important because the change you're about to make is applied per image, not site-wide. Next, click on Settings. This opens the image's settings panel where all the key controls live. Think of this panel as the command center for how your image behaves and displays on the page. Any changes here affect only the image you've selected, so you can fine-tune each one independently for the best results. Then click on Advanced. The Advanced section reveals more detailed options, including the image quality control. This is where you can refine sharpness and compression for a cleaner, crisper look. Opening Advanced is essential because the quality slider is tucked away here to keep the basic panel simple. Now, adjust the image quality slider. Drag it toward the higher end to reduce compression and enhance clarity. As you move the slider, watch the live preview in the editor to see how edges, textures, and small details respond. For logos, icons, and text-based graphics, a higher quality setting usually helps a lot. For photography, aim for a balanced setting that keeps details clear without making the file unnecessarily heavy. Keep in mind that higher quality can increase image size, which may impact load time, so nudge it up gradually and stop when it looks clean and crisp. A quick tip as you fine-tune. Image quality settings can't add detail that isn't in the original file. If an image is very small and being stretched larger on the page, it may still look blurry no matter the slider position. Ideally, your source image should be at least as large as it appears on the site for best clarity, especially on high-density displays. That's all there is to it. Click the image, open Settings, go to Advanced, then use the image quality slider to find the sweet spot between sharpness and performance. With that simple adjustment, your Wix images should look noticeably clearer and more professional.